So now we will talk about saving for the web as a PNG. For the sake of the demo, I have copied and pasted the same graphic 9 times in my 9 artboards, but you should have different graphics in each artboard. Please do not submit the same graphic 2 times. So I'm going to go to File, Export, Export As. This allows me to export all of the artboards at once. I'm going to use artboard, and I'm going to say all. Say you had an artboard that you didn't want to include, and then you would put a range in there. But for me, I'm going to put all. We need to make sure that our file conventions are correct, so you can always just copy this and paste it in. I know that I need my first name, which is Katrina, my last name, which is Kopolov, and it's going to be called stickers. And this is going to be a PNG. I'm going to put it on the desktop in a folder. I'm going to make a new folder, and these are my web files. Okay. It's nice to put it in a folder because it's going to save more than one file. So I'll say export. This screen is good because we want it for the internet, so that's good. And background transparent, that's fine, and I'll say okay. I'm going to go to my Finder just to make sure that they saved. And I have each file. The nice thing is that it saves it, but it gives it a number. So these are the 9 files that you're gonna submit for the assignment.